Hello students, I'm Alok Mishra, your mathematics tutor at AcadPrime. Today I'm going to teach you one of the important concepts of the quadratic equation, and that topic is your solving the equation by solving quadratic equation by completing the square method. All right, we have several other methods also to solve the quadratic equation, but here I am taking the concept of completing the square method. Completing the square method. Let us suppose you have been given a general expression of the quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. All right, and we have to find the solution of this x. So I'm just dividing it throughout by a just to make this coefficient of x square equals to 1. So making the coefficient of x square is equals to 1, I have to divide it throughout by a. Therefore it would be equals to ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equals to 0 by a. So from here we are getting the expression as x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equals to 0. Okay, so here if you have to keep in mind how to frame this expression, that means we are just going to use two of the equations here. One is your a plus b whole square, that is I'm just starting here, that is one is your a plus b whole square, and you know that a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. You see this? For this, to convert this expression into this form, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, we have to see this, the term containing the x. The term containing x is positive, so we just focus on this. That means we need to convert it into the form a plus b whole square. Okay, therefore it would be x square plus, plus it should be 2ab. So here 2 is not given with the this ab term, so I'm just multiplying it by 2 and writing it as b by 2a, okay, into x. And if I just add b by 2a whole square here, since this b upon 2a whole square, that is b square upon 4a square, is not given in this expression, so we need to also subtract this to make the equation as earlier. That means there should not be any change in the expression, and then it is c by a is equals to 0. If you just go on to solve this expression, you will be finding that this expression and this one is the same. Okay, say this term up to this. Okay, this is what? This is x plus b by 2a whole square. Okay, and I'm just taking the rest of the term to the right hand side of the expression, so it will be b by 2a whole square minus c by a, or we can write it as x plus b by 2a whole square, and that is equals to b square upon 4a square minus c by a. Now taking the LCM on the right side of the expression, we are getting it as 4a square, that will be your LCM. Now solving this, we are getting b square minus 4a into c. Okay, just removing the square root, or we can say taking a square root on the both sides of the expression. I will just writing here the taking a square root on both sides of the expression. Square root on both sides of the equation. Okay, that will be root under x plus b by 2a. We can take a square root on both sides of the expression. That means whatever operation we need to do, we can do it on both sides of the expression. Then there should not be any change in the expression. All right, so I'm just taking a square root because I have to just remove this square. That's why I'm taking the square root. Okay, so this term coming out of the square root becomes x plus b upon 2a is equals to, this will be equals to plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, and if you see this 4a square coming out of this square root will become 2a. Okay, now I'm subtracting b by 2a on both sides of the expression, b by 2a on both sides of the expression, then it will be like this. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, and this is minus b by 2a. Okay, so this and this will be cancelled, and we are left with x is equals to minus b by 2a plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or we can write it as minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Alright, so we are having two values of the x. One is your, okay, I'm just taking it to the next page. So we'll be having two values of the x. One of the value is x is equals to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and the another one is x is equals to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so using this expression or using this equation, you can easily find out the two roots of any of the quadratic equation. Okay, thank you for this. We'll see you back again with the next concept.